evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the most damaging news. In May 1953, Filipino ornithologist D.S. Rubber collected a single female fruit dove on the forested slopes of an active volcano on the Philippine island of Negros. The small apple green bird, which had yellow eddings on its wings and prominent circles of beard skin around its eyes, unlike any other known pigeon species. In 1954, Ravor and ELA professor Dillion Ripley described the unique specimen as Pitlinopus arcanicus, a name inspired by the Latin word for sacred. Ornithologists have speculated that the bird could be an aberrant individual or a hybrid of two other well-known species. Now, after more than 70 years, this unique specimen is finally revealing its secrets. Using DNA sequencing techniques, a team of Yale biologists led by John Nash, a senior in Yale College, has demonstrated that the Negros fruit dove is a very distinct ancient lineage within the evolutionary radiation of Pitylopus fruit doves. This species diverged from the other fruit doves in this group nearly 12 million years ago, well before Negros Island had emerged from the sea floor. This suggests that Arcanas enjoyed a much broader distribution earlier in its evolutionary history, the researchers say. Their findings are published in IVs. They arrived at Yale 20 years ago. We dreamed of solving the mystery of this unique bird, say co-author Richard Fordham. The William Robertson, co-professor of ornithology of ecology and evolutionary biology at Alts Faculty of Arts and Sciences. But we had to wait for the right technology and the right student to really pull it off. To help guide future efforts to potentially relocate and conserve the species which may still exist in the world. The authors also modeled the biogeographic history of Montane, that is called the mountain and lowland forest, where it may be more likely to be found. During the Pleistocene epoch, a period marked by dramatic climate change, they argue that the only known fact about the Negros fruit dove, its occurrences on Negros, is more consistent with the biogeographical pattern of montane species in the region. Accordingly, they identified several poorly explored locations, most notably Montane Forest in North Negros National Park and the nearby island of Panay, as areas that should be urgently surveyed for many surviving members of this species. Nash, who is studying ecology and evolutionary biology at LA, believes the enzymatic species may yet have more secrets to reveal, having studied its genetics and phylogeny in the lab. I would love to spearhead efforts to rediscover it in the world. That's fine. Elsa. Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.